In this video, we're going to show you an amazing tool that helps you to easily install exhaust connections that don't fit. Let's get to it. To install our new muffler, we need to connect both ends to the rest of the exhaust system. This side goes to the exhaust pipe and this side to the catalytic converter. However, it has a flange and does not directly fit. To make it fit, we need to add a connector piece to it, which slides inside the pipe. But as you can see, although it's the correct size, it doesn't quite fit. This happens quite often, and the best and easiest way to fix this issue is to use an exhaust pipe expander. This simple but genius tool works by sliding it in the exhaust pipe and using a wrench to turn it clockwise, which pushes the metal bars outward with lots of force, slowly expanding the diameter of the tube it's in. Initially, you might need to hold it to stop the entire thing from spinning, but once the tool starts expanding, the friction against the metal will prevent it from turning. You'll need a bit of force to expand the pipe, but don't exaggerate. You don't want the exhaust pipe to be too loose around the other end. It's best to do it in several small expansions instead of stretching it too far at once. To remove it, you need to turn your wrench counterclockwise. Keep turning it until you can take the exhaust pipe expander out. Now we can try if the connector piece fits. It only needed a tiny adjustment, so we might be lucky. If it doesn't fit, just repeat the process until it does, expanding the exhaust bit by bit. But as you can see, we expanded it just enough to get a snug fit. Perfect. And that's how you quickly and easily fit an exhaust pipe that's slightly too small. Now we can install our new exhaust system, which we'll show you in a separate video, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. More videos are on the way, so be sure to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps us out a lot. Our content wouldn't be possible without the amazing support of our patrons and YouTube channel members, whose crew you can join via the links in the description to see our schedule, vote on future videos, get behind the scenes sneak peeks, and much more. This is Classic Car Maintenance, and we'll see you on the next one.